Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a yo-yo half windmill. Obviously knowing how to do a yo-yo and a half windmill already would be really helpful, so links in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find out if you want to go back and cover those. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Obviously, we'll do that again from the other side to give you the other view. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's right, lady's right. We do a beginning of a standard yo-yo, so we go back across the chest and we twist the ladies out. And at this point, the guys switch to thinking, instead of thinking of that as the front, they do a 90-degree turn to the right and now go straight into a half windmill. So we start to bring the lady across behind us. You're going to have to come down to get the lady to want to come forwards. We lift that right hand up. We head what is effectively forwards from the new direction. And if we drop the hand, we transfer into the left. So it's now standard half windmill and we've done a 90-degree turn in the process. So let's do that again from the other side and think numbers. So we go right to right, back 1, across the chest 2, twist out, changing where the front is 3, sweep with the right 4, sweep with the left 5, and face and finish 6. And that's the whole thing. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, yo-yo half windmill. It's a back, in, twist, right up, left up, and back. Is literally just hybridizing two of the beginner moves. Some people would possibly call it a hatch flick half windmill because they worry about the hand on the shoulder being in the way, so you lead it exactly the same entry as if you're doing a hatch flick, but then as you turn the lady out, instead of letting go with the right, you let go with the left, which sets you up into exactly the same position but without the lady being connected here. Perfectly good variation. Okay, hope you find those useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing will promote the channel and the move, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit notifications, it will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. Music recommendation in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds is just a link to a music video which is an appropriate song to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.